Hello Ghana for you mobia kwaba edoba eye Insight GH. Abusuya nsembi astarte baba. Yes. Kwaku Annan ena etwetwe nsemba. Abusuya Kwaku Annan kwatena eye Kingdom FM. Amone eye yankasa eye nwapani Fifi Pratt. Ekodidi nkombo. Yes, na nkomodidi mu no no mo kasafa eye agrada any Rev Usubempa ho. Ebusa questions bebre. Na abusuya Ghana for so ensembi ebetomu na ensema chese Kwaku Annan ekaye no na chese ano din ye pa Kwaku Annan eka ensem edify mra Reverend Patience Mensah Mrs. Eko Reverend Usubempa efie se okwa Akwankyerɛ na ho ana ensem ni na ewo abusuya aha Insight GH Mestro so be me on subscribe button no na wo mi abona ewo nche like video no so na chire wadwen so comment section embra ye ba be ti sa video yi na ye ti ensema Kwaku Annan eka ede afa Reverend Patience Mensah ehun a chese busuan ensema woka no ano odin ye pa mra pa maami eko Reverend Usubempa efie se okwa ya Akwankyerɛ na ono na dane Mary Magdalene na Reverend Usubempa adane Yesu Jesus Christ na chese wode oyeyi afafa ne na ho na eno ana Kwaku Annan echeche ni nsema o chirema o kyerese maami eko se okwa ya Akwankyerɛ yi abusuya maami eko lekeleke Rev Usubempa na ho ma chese ode ne nsa ne nam Rev Usubempa na ho kopie ne kotodwe ko ya kopie ne sirimu yekobisa ne se ade no shenika na o se de no se trousers na ye loose trousers no very easy so betimi aro akosoro ana aro aba from either way ewusia Kwaku Annan akansem ensem na okekan ne de mebo video no na yankasa yi na yetie ho ana beti ensem na asiye pa because ensem na Kwaku Annan aba beka ne de ewusia ano hye pa yankoso na yentie Kwaku Annan ensem na fe ebeba na yeba yaba beto aso kama pa ede amamu.
So recall couple of months ago I was here in this studio to tell a story about Ono or offense Apostle Bempane Mamia over the arrest of the Mobekai. Na me catch us say yemfa arrest ni munsem ema. Later bear story. Ghanaians again will recall say in my narrative I escaped the circumstances led to the arrest of both and stated it's a story for another day. And I'm here to break the news to you. That day is today. Now, if that group call itself GNG are out there, the Americans say, "Womo entiemi." The fundamental questions begging for answers would be to ask, who are this group of people calling themselves GNG? Well, according to their petitioner, me what copy wa enini. When we petition, we have secured a copy, and it goes there. They are a registered social society organization. Interesting times. Again, until my presence here today, many have also heard Apostle Usubempa narrating his horrendous encounter with a lady named Patience Mensah Patience Mensah.
Ghana first started friend of Madam Oil.
Okay, he be true. Patience Mensah
the same woman.
Apparently visited his residence under the pretext of, or if you like, code name, anointing him as the Yesu of Ghana. And she, being the Mary Magdalene of Ghana, representing what? The narrative in the contemporary Bible. Asemi nane se, Saint ya sa arrest ni munsem, man kan chiramono, mi yi BBAPN. Sa group ya ye from J&J, Ghana need Ghana. Ye group a one mu etutu anamo bebre, including say one mu call Apostle Bempa Asore led by this woman. Now monfa first picture nento so ubehu maame ne ni kunu Mr. and Mrs. Mensah monfa to screen so e bring wo chanime pi ne bepie. Now that's the first picture. Maame nankasa picture de beba hen na maame call Apostle Bempa Asore fie kodi di nkomo. Say womo pese womo ni hia. Second one ena maame no enso ene erebi aye na brown ya obi anim no edi nkomo say womo pese womo ne Bempa nso etra se di nkomo ye bi. Later womo side information so call another lady on also London, very beautiful woman in Gege omune no ensu kodi nkomo se wo mo pese wo mo yeden wo mo ne bempa ehia pamo twa no apostle bempa ema maami kwan ema ne yeden obefie na eda obefie no maami patience Mensah Mrs. oyoba wanfo o muntie ne ye oba no na edom di nechi fa ne se na ne crew no ti won mo bae no na wura apostle bempefia this apostle bempefia so be unim big house na wura mu a the first living room then on your left another big living room ento mo wura ho no ena apostle bempa ema mo ba second living room ho one maame ne entourage ni na to mo wura dem ho no ena maame no ema edom no mo di nechi no nipa be 5 se wo mo nkotena first living room ho how okay na bempa de ono nim sentia maame no oye but na wanya a call from maame ne say nyankopon ama ne direction bi say omra no me sa direction so it will be very necessary say obe make that move and this ada no buy enti ne entourage no call first living room on and na maame no call three curtains no sisi eni say on three curtains ni sisi eni na just say first living room on and so mu hu de e koso
we say no evidence
o de ni we bu ma we say
kwaku no okochiche curtains na wo ho
na wonim ni o ma bempa fie e wo ho
there be becha say na wo ho it is the wo kanyina
take it from me take it from me sir as an investigative journalist I have all that it takes okay on the screens is this woman called Mrs. Patience Mensah Onunye Onunye ono asi no ni kununie Mr. and Mrs. Mensah na wo mo ehwe wo mo ho anim wo honom sa now o three curtains ni sie ni no e no ka kire se ebra so se sa asem no ka kire no o mo betu sa na ma
enti na ho no o mo mienu pe na hye inside
o mienu pe na hye ho
curtains no so yatwe
esisi ani
enti obi wo akire o ho hye
de e koso wako bempa fie da good so there and there na utun se na ma me no wabo no ho pa
sesei
wabo no ho making
wabo no ho sesei
wabo no wo de tie
every ni kasa ye wabo no ho sesei
wabo no ho with no gadgets and everything you dey buy o de bibi o de buy
ye dey
fe o bre ni ntiro me ye
tem wabo kasa obi aboa no ho wo ko so obi kaka so wo boa ho sesei
o de fa ne se wabo na obetini na ase ye koya enti then na maame no wo se bempa wa kunwa ono wotimu ho ono ani fie ona kunwa nti maame no sorry free na kunwa no obebutu nenim se and wo yi oil no no wo hwie gu ne nan ho
budgets
me nchire which of them
okay
no hwie gu ne nan so no start so then and say massage oil
na reverend no wusu bempa yi ne mpaboa we yi ne shoes bibia
we yi ne ho we yes we yi ne mpaboa osi ho se ne mpaboa de ehye no a ode to na wo ya ade anya yi na so
ana so oil no fra mpaboa no
debi mpaboa ne nka ho
okay
yes
okay so chire mu yi
zaza oje bempetie me sure na dwumo di beti wo no
debi I was say we breaking it down because what the oil confirm shoe na bia na shoe no betumi so ko oil na ko and
to start is all massage oil all from the feet all upwards to ne your friend is saying me
na reverend who super power shorts
tie
not shorts and
no
or jeans
yes or na friends one of the loose trousers ibisa and na so when in bempa na uko bempa fear you most often times see say you let me put it in a proper description I say morning a event saying jogging a yibi na no so easy obetimi pulling it down or up whichever way
and then your jeans no say
and one massage go upwards all up to the knees then strain into the man's thighs ne sit down
oil na
exactly na so one be confirm
so abusia why na ka no kure ko maami ba bonten be kan se mi se den no Patience Mensah no de oil be fa ma papa yi na ho akọ ne sere ho akọ ne kotodwe ne sere ho ebra papa bempa ehye tight jeans aha so Kwaku na so chirima o chirim se na enya jeans ana na papa hye indizi hwan ne yaji na di aji se video no e ba bonten ansa ne na yehu se ampa na papa no hye jeans ana se o hye loose trousers Abusia ensem no de ahede dwa oso beti ma kire wadwe nani na mu no umia subscribe button na umia bell na ewo nche no like video no so na bibia enye kama pa yanko so ni nti Kwaku Annan na nsema obekan de chese ano ohye ye papa
same oil
na dia oil.
Wow.
On one case the group no me can draw the group have come to confirm. You need time. Any the audience say go some you need that time. But let me give the narration.
What the hell?
Then all massage to the knee to the thighs. No?
Thigh?
Yes. No spray be
on here day.
The nine who the moon S.
And the Reverend also be a person who so was a day.
See them was
a short or a day.
I say men okay. It's a free trouser. I have cotton. Cotton. This is trousers. I'm trousers. Morning trousers. I shed here jog nearly. It's so easy to move it, sir. Now the men can one person be so then look for the group. Maybe some say they are branded it on. It's on massage here. The bar is the beer. The bread the house here coming. We are saying. With me and to him. And now person with you. And to her party. But I guess that the temptation would have been then to go there.
It's never say I never also pass why
Next year, I will say I channel or can I say why still when you make us know why still there's a new freeze feelings me by okay to mommy massage then the third preposition to embark on the journey was now to use the tongue, the touchema. Or they lick it up the leg upwards. Apostle Bempa, the bet me same situation say, "Monfa video no mra no, wait. Video man. Who be some video?
Abia asem de abomi pusa. Asem yi pantoma. Hey! Like how? Obi yire. Now would me call the Okatrema your tank. Now the nam so for penny and now just say them who cry Mrs. Hey, Semu Abusia. Asemu de Minjindi. Yes, Minjindi. Pa say when patients Mensah na ubia oye warefo na o kose okoya Akwankyerɛ na odi ne ketrema ne nam so for penny now. Say or lekene na ho ike no asem we die ano ohye dodo asem we die oh dabi we njindi e wo so mode video ne babo nti se do mo ka no e wo se Rev Usubempa agitum na ode eye evidence ne babo ntin ni na ehu se eyampa maame no na obibi chese ne wo ne trima ode call se ode kwakwa ya Akwankyerɛ no enye sa pa de a ensem Kwaku na e kan die we are no day. Anna chise Rev Usubempa so ti ho so for penny ti ho. Anna what the heck? Anna so all G feelings ni gum sa. Like how? Me dwene ho amenti ase baby a. Ebusi ano ohye go so di enti.
Won say mo twetwe nsem de ba. Mo twetwe nsem na me no obi to work kan 7 some phone ai na wo kwa Apostle Bempa fi a no mo record no mo yese sa ho. And some phone be sent na be ma nipa be sa. What it? Okay? Let him bring the video. Na mo so obire and na mo waya sa. And some fool and guasem person di group papa no. All these years people have not succeeded in doing it. Now we be say bibia no oba warfo wo koye den e won so of nivie. Wo na o sie se nyame mo Akwankyerɛ na enne de wo be ya ne ka ho story a afi ne be kire o say dem obi e dwa dro. No mo ka sa babonti abeka ne kra na tira mo ntie.
Licking.
Ha now wo fi sa gro no ni pedie.
What the hell?
What the heck rather? Well, look at me no hode fi na Bempa still
wo card dia
me enemy one. Please, what video? No, please, Jaja, we no. What video no? Mo ya na
me just what video no. What video no? Say they can
no wait. Me fa me to Ghana.
Me kasa me just what's what?
Me so be say me fa me to Ghana.
Me just what?
Me so ma tell me fa video ni pie.
Me be say what?
Me so fa video ni pie.
Kwaku.
Me no me
yes
or no. No die nye de comedy no.
Yes or no? Yes or no?
And I so say
what one
also video. Ono say we hu. Ono say on fa me to Ghana ka say yes. No, ka say yes.
o de empon na o de achire me.
I mean me pon one. Now one say die for me a bite.
Dabi o de empon one.
Now listen to me here.
Empon one.
Obeso o chemi se video ndi owo. O de nani ahwe wa hu video no. Nti no ne nsam na wo kani na ye nkore. Se de be Ghana for beji edi. Se enye ntro bi ana obeso o twade to maami so. Ekọ guna ware, ekọ se na ware. Nze mu fa video ne mra na ye hu no kore no because nsam amokeka fa maami hu de. Na se anu odi oba ware for de nkeka nsem bi se emfa no. Na me kwa de medwene hu amenti ase oba ware for. Eye den na wo kasa wo koya Akwankyerɛ. Na Akwankyerɛ wo koye wanya Akwankyerɛ bia o wiase anye. Dan say Bible ma Akwankyerɛ chinchine chin. Ana abese wo de to eye reviews bempa so de by force de oye kore fa ne na ho ko massage ne na ho e ma papa yi so twi mu feelings ni na awie. E de utrimi nko pepa. Abusua na wie ya wo de oketrema ene ekwa fa papa yi na ho. Papa is one of the two on your dria, I had over feelings. May o muchichi ma was a sine trace, then in poke your ho. Oh, a dang temptation I would do say dear. Papa, you on your sent to, Or your uncle pon. Or yes, or your nipa. And you would tempting is a not as honest went to me and son also, no coy no maybe answer fata, and wine foot. What I say, dear Busia, me dear, as some of my patients, Mensah on I'm finding it very difficult to be GD. So then a ketrema pa. Oh, yeah, they do bit me that funny now and they be say. But pass what in the ketrema and none and review super panaho. And no dear, I know she in seminar papa ye can a yoko kwanaki Canada. I know the mammy pa, young cosunitiness.
What happened? Well, ya do baby obedient, nephew, baby, bempe, Jen who be Jenny. And what team who friend in your command Nana Kwesi? You know him.
Nana Kwesi?
Yes!
Reverend Wusu Bepa Freno.
Or Frick, Fence and Nana Kwesi, man, buy no dinsio. So on fence you, man. Now, guess what? Or dinsio, a brand no. Still, no, ma, meno, a gusu ya dear warrior. Now, the reason why Apostle Bempa would do that, no face, and no would scare the woman to do something or shape up. But you know what? Akwesino sura dem hono. Ono hu ni say a form of an Akwankyerɛ bia. Ma meni yento. Ono no. Odi nsuo no. Yes, odi nsuo no bra ni wie no. Pepepe eno no opie no ko ne baby. Enti anche na ma meni ankasa. Oye de obeye nyina no. Eno sorry. Now here comes that even the dress na ehye ma mi. Na wo hwe say wonu asi ni ti asese no. Na Bempa so te won automatically. Reverend Bempa be hu maame no ekukum se
we nyina wo hu wo video no
na enkumenkuma enufu osisi ho enkumenkuma sa anam ne ade
kwaku we dey o kwaku
yemfa ne ntwe wo de yen kan
we nyina wo hu wo video no mu
rade
kwaku
yemfa ho eye
it's Reverend Wusu Bepa ye
obon mami ke suma sam nkire wo obi fie na wo koye mimi fie wo ba ho a nessa wo be ya de na me be ka kire wiase se ade a wo be ye nie na so be challenge me the honors of the proof will be that I have to tell the story maybe in a different way, not narrative.
And to one about be confess
one can say the group, the GNG group no wo mudi ma me ni chi ko hono aba be kan menu masem
say ye no kre
na ye no kre na wo de won tene say wo tiki no ma won tere you ready yesu hey fifi
it's a wo phone so ana
hey I'm shocked. Me said the group called GNG, of which this woman leads the group, have come out to confirm. I dear my man wo fi ho. How they make us say me your boy. Me say group in the GNG phone. So me say me boy they should call. Move from number into 050 660 7555. Omo friend omo kan say Kwaku Annan is lying. How dare they? And officer grouping you do on my ma.
It's wedding in our washer.
Now the Reverend Bempa me can say we were bonting.
There be when saying in our washer omo call woman no call because
now
of what?
Here I'm bringing the deal. Indeed, this is still a mind-boggling question, as you may ask, and that is how many people, including Apostle Bempa Nankasa, knew that patient Mensah and Mrs. is or was a senior member of this group called GNG, Ghana Need Ghana, and again. Their ulterior motive was to hatch a conspiracy plot against Apostle Owusu Bempa. Again, the same group had earlier wanted to secure Apostle Isaac Owusu Bempa as the chairman or the patron of that group. Now, baby says, what a shock. All right? I'm not lying. Maneno, Anybody do say no meaning say maame no dey skin ways no. Ono no ye senior member of this group omo trust our petition way. Ghana need Ghana. Maame way was seeking to have Reverend Bempa as the chairman of the group. Maame way was also at the same time seeking to have Reverend Bempa hatch a conspiracy plot against Reverend Bempa. No mbeguni anymore said that was the whole import. But guess what happened? At the time our group seeking the year of Nana Brown and Mami Ngege to bring Bempa into the equation, Bempa Nankasa started telling the story. Eche Mami no say ne onye interested because one motive was that one person the group no then report emiye chichichi ni pebi wo memu ha. And Reverend Bempa ka chom say no ono sa chichi ne sa niamaniama so bia yam from so a mumma emra enye den en taking the course. And almost say yo mate. Some incident ni si wo fi ho wie no. Ah maame no nti ho na Reverend Bempa frɛ maame no e followers ni na mo be hia wo dem ho. Na wo be bisa say di nti na maame no obeye sad no wo dem ho no. Ni encourage no no mba no. One more man tena dem ho and witness that incident. Go and ask them.
Abusia ya pon why?
No.
Dabi.
1 minute. No, this is not fair.
Ghana for assume your mother do. What they ya pon me so. Abusia
just about 1 minute.
Dabi kwaku ya pon.
But this is not fair. Petition
here. Fair pa. Ghana for. Ghana for.
If you give me just about 2 minutes, that should be okay.
Ghana for.
No, I'm saying 2 minutes you do.
I don't see 1 after 2 minutes.
Okay, 1 minute. So 1 minute no.
Okay, 1 minute.
1 minute no and 9 channel. Fee. The same group contacted their lawyers to write a petition to the Attorney General to investigate a purported audio recording between Apostle Isaac Owusu Bempa and a lady in question, a person may dignify Abonidin. In the petition, they stated they are seeking justice for all. Now, folks, Yembisa said, the petition itself begged the question. Question being, number 1. Did the so-called lady spoke to Reverend Bempano, spoke to him and recorded him and used that recording against him and I said, 2, is this lady on whose behalf the petition was written also a member of the GNG group? Now this is the petition. Now baby say this same mommy patience way on any group and the one more sure character we are come Attorney General say ye investigating Apostle Bempa any mommy way. What's our petition? So baby say patient Mensah, under what circumstances you would have gone to Owusu Bempa to go and lick Nenaho? And under what circumstances again Obasiame a throw petition say investigate Apostle Owusu Bempa? Which role and a mini play? Now guess what? Ufi hana me buy and bidding komo how many months ago? Say there is a tape recording via making rounds. I came here a couple of months ago back here to reveal the grand conspiracy behind a purported audio recording about Reverend Bempa, stand accused of being behind murder was the case. Together with some government high-ranking officials prior to elections, Apostle Bempa, any MPP peniphobi, ekokunkum nipa. And you fear them bedi sa ankomo na urefi.
What year we be
now this is the petition.
Patu beba your friend is saying no, ye be no aye be we am sorry so. Yes sorry so.
Who we are say.
Abusua in someone ne yakwa aba no utimu se asem no. Ya Kwaku Annan pese ochi na ne se maame ne ye sa nyomani ni na to seduce Reverend Owusu Bempa. Obi a no watwe no ama chese wa be like wabeka Ghana ni Ghana foku no ho na chese wa be panyi wom no matimi ateki Reverend Owusu Bempa influence no etimi e dey arresting crofo bebre e okrum a omo Ghana ni Ghana fo na ayo madwin so beso omo arrest omo no. One Reverend Mama Pat into bishima or church ma or church Reverend Owusu Bempa e catch omo say nya de oye interested in their group no omo e course wa e try e plot e ma chese timi e ti agrada tum edi kan agrada ka say Reverend Owusu Bempa e che oba e be ka say Nyankopon ya chense nye Reverend Owusu Bempa afei agrada che ma e revenge na oba ye ti no sabe kan Reverend Owusu Bempa mo camp na wo hu say Reverend Owusu Bempa e kan Ghana ni Ghana for no ho a e mo protest anymony na against na che no enti Akwankyerɛ ne enchire mu ni na e ye say obe try say obetimi convince Reverend Owusu Bempa amana wa be ka Ghana ni Ghana ho abusua ensem ni na eno no but lake ne wo mu no ene nsem a che say eye Kwaku Annan kan no menti bebre ase menji ndi so nti video no be ya mo famra bontini na ye hwe video na yetimi ahwe na analyze na ye hunu kran kasa wa asem no mo obusua so betima kire wa adwen ebia na de wugidi ebia na o support Kwaku na ebi so a so wunjindi ebia support ye patience Mensah obetimi akire wa adwen o comment section ho na bibia ayekama ha ye insight GH any dey me subscribe atem no emi abel na ewo nche no na bibia enye kama pa ha ana mede obesi nyakopo hwaw na onyo kese se wo jembre na wo kama ho makraw